Our next formula is an if statement. We might get a question like this that says insert a formula to work out if each holiday destination is affordable. The key word we're looking for is if. That'll give us a clue that we're way to use an if statement. It also says that our budget is £1,000. So we want to click where we want to put our if statement. So I'm going to click C2 here, and we want to head up to our insert function box here. You might have your if statement on the list. If you don't, you can type it in this box here. The reason I have it on my list here is because I've used it recently. So if you click go, you will find if. The if statement's made up of three parts. So we've got a logical test, which is like a comparison. A value if true, if our test is correct, it'll give us one value, and if it's false, it'll give us another value. So what we have to do here with our logical test is we need to make some sort of statement saying that if something is greater than 1,000, or less than or equal to, or whatever you want to do it, what way you want to do it, it gives us two results. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click the price. So if this cell here is greater than 1,000, now the reason I've used greater than 1,000 is because I have £1,000 to spend. Right, so you'll see that your logical test is if B2 is greater than £1,000. If it's true, if the value is true, the holiday is not affordable. So I'm just going to do no. And if it's false, if it is £1,000 or under, I'm going to put yes. It'll put in the speech marks for us. If you just click away from it, you'll be able to get the speech marks in for us, and then we'll press OK, and then we can drag it down, and you'll be able to double check if things are over 1,000. It should say no. If they're £1,000 or under, the answer should be yes.